All right, here we are at camera showing you our case erecting system, bottom tape. Glue is also available. And we're going to feed past 3 singulators. The first one's actually in action going to do the chips, but we have 3 staging areas here. Third one's not actually occupied yet. So when the third box arrives into its location, now it'll drop the chips. Then the singulator starts back up again and gets the chips going. Once all 3 boxes are through the taper down here, then the next 3 come in. And we start again. We'll count to 10. We tape those off. The next 3 come up. So the idea would be is that we would build a variety pack of chips. We're running one flavor here, Doritos right now, but you could run salt and vinegar in the next feeder or whatever. Just add as many of these as you want, and we can put them into the same box and give you, a 54 count, a 48 count, 24, 36, whatever you want. You pick it as they come by. And that's how it all works. Pretty simple. You can see this live in Chicago in November. Look forward to seeing you there.